Located in South Shelby County, Alabama, sits the ideal piece of land. This property features nearly 522 acres with navigable frontage of one of the lake's premier tributaries, Waxahatchee Creek. Just 45 minutes from downtown Birmingham, this outdoor oasis is the premier destination for outdoor fun. Old-growth oak timber and planted pines create the ideal habitat for the abundant deer and turkey on the property. With 17-year-old pines, this property offers an immediate ROI. 3 entry points make this property accessible from numerous directions and features an excellent road system throughout. The creek frontage provides excellent fishing opportunities as well as duck hunting. Boasting over 18 established food plots, this truly is a turnkey QDMA property. Also featuring a large tree orchard with both hard and soft mass-producing trees, there's plenty of food for the wildlife year-round. Large neighboring landowners surround the tract, making management practices easy to implement. Featuring a creek that runs throughout the majority of the acreage, water isn't an issue. Also available is an adjoining 100-acre Alabama power lease. A 40 by 80 pole barn provides excellent storage and covered space for entertaining opportunities. Price to sell, this property is a great timber investment as much as it is recreational. For a personal guided tour, call or contact Will Snider at 205-565-6680 or email Will at stronglands.com.